Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps section. Let's tap on it. Now at the very bottom we've got this option special app access, so let's enter, and here we have to localize install unknown apps. And right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. From now on your device will allow the specific app to download some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and they may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions and just tap on the app, so the Chrome in my case, tap on the switcher again, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.